Yeah, guys. We're
Like, share, and subscribe. New vlogs, new sites, new trips.
Trip na Race Season 8.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Sa elementarya, Albuquerque Central.
Engineer, broker, appraiser, plumber, kung syempre paliyasin ng mga broker.
Hello guys! Update for today!
Look at it, look at it,
Like, share, and subscribe.
look at it.
Maayong hapon, Island City Hall! I am Amon Ray Clavano Lopere.
And I'm Sandra Olirata.
And this is Bohol Songwriters Showcase. Alright, Stanley, before we formally open our program for this afternoon, ako sa i-promote ang mga local products na i-exhibit karon through the initiative of the Department of Trade and Industry.
So, atong ipakita ang mga kinabuhan sa mga artists and mga artisans na kanang naka-display talent for this kind of things. Ang show na sa
But before anything else, I would like to greet our very active and supportive employees from
meron na gunit magkakaroon, sir. Pakasa na na.
Yes, video first. This one, kay Pasko naman yun. Christmas is ended. This one is ihimone from our brothers and sisters ng mga PDL of the Bohol District Jail Female Door. So for your orders and reservations, please contact 0949-572-3040. Yeah. Ito mga kapitan niya pa ron.
Okay, so atong bring gold colored kanang glasses. Rose gold nga rim nga glasses. Anyone? Go lang! Isa kita
Oh!
Nakita mo na rin?
5, 4, for this white parol. Nice! Hi, you know it. Alright.
Oh, rose
So what's your name?
Hi.
Hi, from asa nagikan sa Bohol? Asa naglungsod? Inabanga. It's quite far from here, Inabanga. So nakadire ko yung imong mama. So nag-shopping. Alright. Sending?
How old are you, man? And since I'm
I have something. Who can come up here on stage karon nga naang mama, naang papa, our honorable governor, Governor Alice Mercado, our mayor of Action,
yeah, thank you so
Mayor
much.
Jane, and of course our congressman for Bohol District 1, Congressman Edgar M. Chavez. Alright, so because they have a new director. The previous director was my high school batchmate sa Science na mama niya. But ako na din. So, yes. At least nasakto ko. Ay, nasakto ko.
So last na tong answer, last na tong prize. For the last prize.
Okay, sige. Ano na lang inihatap kay...
Felicia is from the local artist from Antique and Huli ang material daw.
Yes, it looks like a boat.
Oh,
If you want to see it from afar.
yeah.
So, do you know who invented, di ba kung bulot ako bar, it's based on the principle of buoyancy.
Yes.
Do you know who invented buoyancy? Who discovered
Wala
buoyancy?
sir Mark. Di ba siguro kung ipamito
It's the aha moment of Archimedes. He was in the bathtub. But dito na realize na when he was submerged in the bathtub, dito na realize na the whole of this place is equal to the volume submerged. That's the principle of buoyancy. That's the reason why bulutaw ang mga mo. So it's basic.
science. Okay, so if nakikanahan daw order of mga inani, you can contact Miss Ma'am Maria Lorna Siadugo from Antigua Tourism Information Center. So ganahan mo palit og mga baskets and posters na made out of this kind of material. Pwede na mo gmail.com, and they also have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So you can just search through the Crafts page on those social media now.
Alright, I have something to add. This premium is kanang dili ka exhibitor sa local products na supported by the Department of Trade and Industry. Sa atong mga mananaway and mall goers, who can bring me test paper nga na-check sa ilang maestro, since pag po mag-make terms, right? Yeah, midterms.
Yes, they can use the
Yes.
high schools,
Maestro.
diba?
Ano naman dyan nagdugay sa itong dati diis natin.
Bakit na student na niya dala sila
So,
test
this is
paper?
bringing me for a nice job to diri na test paper nga na bago lang na-checkan.
Yeah, guys. We're
Like, share, and subscribe.
It warms out, but so science hides.
New vlogs, new sites, new trips.
Trip Race Season 8.
Like, share, and subscribe.
It warms out, but so science hides. Sa elementarya, Albuquerque Central.
Engineer, broker, appraiser, plumber, o syempre paliyasin ng mga broker.
Hello guys, update for today.
Look at it, look at it,
Like, share, and subscribe.
look at it.